Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to set up a T-Mobile internet gateway. Now before you do this guys, first you need to unbox the T-Mobile 5G gateway device. Then place this gateway in a centrally located area to an exterior window or wall. This will basically allow the signal to reach as many rooms as possible. And the gateway also requires access to a power outlet. Then what you do is you turn the gateway so you can see the bottom. You just connect the gateway's power cable to its power port. Just plug the other end of the power cable into a grounded electrical outlet. And then what you do is you slide the window seal bracket over the connections. Okay, slide it over. So like that on the backside of the gateway. And the bracket will click into place, indicating that it is correctly installed. Now to adjust the orientation of the gateway, what you do is you loosen the screw at the base of the bracket and rotate the gateway as needed to secure the new position. And the animated logo basically indicates that the gateway is powering on. What you need to do is just go ahead and press on OK for the panel. So press on O right there, and the gateway has been turned on. And to continue setting up the T-Mobile 5G gateway, just download the free T-Life app on your smartphone, and the prompt will guide you through the remainder of the process. And it's really that easy and simple, so if you found the guide helpful, make sure you smash that like button, as well as subscribe to frequently asked questions.